Hello everybody, we would like to tell you today a little bit about our Score Easy centimetre scoring board. Ancella shall do some score lines and let you see what how exactly our board works. It works exactly the same as our inch scoring board, but this centimetre scoring board has some special features. It was specially designed by our Vasan Creative Graphics department with scrapbookers and card makers in mind, to make it easier for scrapbookers and card makers. So we'll slowly talk you through step by step and let you know what all the special icons are for. On the top of the board, we have our first icon is a smiley. Now it's a crafty to smile smiley, and with this you can make a gatefold card. So Ancella shall show you now how to make a gatefold card. First of all, we're going to use the score line under the smiley, and your second score line we're going to score under the second smiley. And Ancella shall let you see the finished result. And here we have a gatefold card, easily made without measuring all the paper. Now the second special feature is our Love It heart. The Love It heart is for making a score line in the middle of A5 paper. And Ancella shall again let you see how that works. Lay the paper simply on the board, make your score line, fold it down, and you have your A5 card perfectly scored in the middle without having to measure. Then we come to our icon, the star, and the star is for scoring lines in the middle of an A4 sheet of paper. And Ancella again will give you a quick demonstration. A4 paper, lay it on the board, make your score line, fold it in half, and then you have a nice crisp line on your A4 card. Okay, we will let you see now the special measurement here at 1524 centimetres. This is a special score line for scoring scrapbook paper, 30.5 to 30.5, exactly in the middle. And Ancella will let you see that again. Oh, you're busy today. Okay, the score lines are on every centimetre and every half centimetre to 30.5 centimetres. Apart from the score line at 15 centimetres, there is no score line at 15 centimetres. And the reason for this is we have chosen to make the board handy for scrapbookers and card makers. Now, Ancella and I will let you see. Ancella and I will let you see how you can simply move your paper along to make a score line at 15 centimetres. And by doing that, she'll let you see how to make a quick rosette by sliding the paper. Okay, and Ancella is now going to simply move the paper along, and then in between the two score lines, you line that up and then make a score line. Simple and easy. As normal with the inch scoreboard, there is also a triangle at the back of the board with the scoring tool, and all measurements and instructions are on here to make envelopes, envelope boxes, and the gift box. Now, we hope that explains our centimetre scoreboard and the special features that we have on our scoreboard. And please have a look at our other videos on YouTube and follow our social media channels for more inspiration. Bye!
Bye!